Of those cooler temperatures, we have Marquise Mita joining us now. Marquise, only parts are really going to see that colder temperature.
Yeah, especially as you head further north, right? That's where we could have the chance for maybe some wind chill values to dip below 40 degrees. I'm talking about Marion County, also Flagler. And to make matters even worse, Burr sums it up perfectly fine, especially if you're along the coast, because not only will you be trending cool, you'll be trending quite windy. All of our coastal communities, Flagler, Volusia, Brevard, you guys are under a wind advisory. That starts at 7 p.m. tonight and continues all the way through 9 a.m. tomorrow. These gusts could be up to 35, maybe even 40 miles per hour. And to make matters worse, you'll have some rough seas all across the coast as well. So it's going to be a bit of a blustery and cold start to your work week. Large breaking waves are what's forecasted. These could be anywhere between 7 and 10 feet high. We'll swing out towards the coast right now where you have clear skies over Volusia County here in New Smyrna Beach. Temperature wise, it feels nice right now, 75 degrees. But you'll be lucky to make it back into the 50s early out the door to start off the morning tomorrow. Notice upper 50s coming your way with blustery winds right around 3, 4, and 5 o'clock. We mentioned those wind gusts could be up to 35 miles per hour. Let's track them now on Futurecast. Not too many clouds inland. You see the cloudier conditions along the coast with maybe a sprinkle of rain. Keep in mind, we're watching a cold front pass through. That's what's increasing your winds, and we see that very small chance for some showers alongside it. These gusty winds, those will remain in place all night long. Notice that your strongest gusts inland are in the 20s. Along the coast, we got a couple gusts above 30 miles per hour, so it will be a windy start to your work week. Chance for rain is highest across the coast, but inland, you feel the cooler temperatures. Denellen, 36 degrees, Ocala, 41. Your average low around this time of year, that's right around 53-degree temperatures. You'll be well below average in Sumter County, too. 46 for Lake Penisoffkee, Bushnell as well. As we swing out towards the east, you're a touch warmer along the coast. 50s and 60s in Brevard County. For Melbourne, 60 degrees, Cocoa Beach, 62, Titusville, upper 50s, 59, lower 50s once you swing along I-4, 50 on the dot for Windermere, Winter Park, 53 is your wake-up temperature in Orlando tomorrow. So here's that cold front by Monday morning. It's well to our south, and that blast of cooler air, well, it's going to come with some strong winds as that front continues to push south. High pressure is going to dictate our forecast to start off the work week. So for those of us inland, it will be mild once you get into Tuesday and Wednesday, and we will see those wind speeds subside. And once they do, temperatures will begin to rise as well. We'll be back in the 70s by Tuesday coming up, but we won't make it out of the 60s tomorrow. Cloudier skies will be present in the afternoon. Sunshine to start off the day. Sunny, windy, and cool here in Central Florida tomorrow. High temperatures are about 10 degrees below your seasonal average. We'll hit 64 in the afternoon in Orlando. And then as we continue across the work week, we have very minuscule chances for rain on Thursday and Friday. We might see a couple of those showers work their way inland. But what we will see are warmer temperatures as we get ready for winter in the next 7 days. Christmas is 11 days away. New Year's Eve, 17 days away. And then as we move into Christmas week, overall, it's going to be very warm here in Central Florida. And we'll start to see those temperatures rise once you move past Monday. 62 for your high tomorrow, 69 on Tuesday, 70s from Wednesday through next Saturday. In fact, on Sunday, expect your highs in the upper 70s.